Hey guys, it's 2010 Volkswagen Jetta. My windshield wipers weren't working. After countless hours of searching through forums, everything else, asking people, some say the wiper motor's bad, some say it's the relay, some say it's the stock. But on my 2010 here, it didn't have the open hood warning. So after some digging, I had found that nobody has done a video on this at all in this generation, which I believe is an MK5, regarding the hood latch sensor. Now, what does it do? If you have your hood up, the windshield wipers don't work. But yet they work going down the road with the hood closed. Then it's just the safety mechanism that VW put in to where the wipers don't work when the hood's up. I know, odd, right? So, on this one, you're going to go ahead and look down here. You can just barely make out the wire, follow it around. It is going to be right here as a point of reference. You have your washer, coolant, intake, oil dipstick. So it's going to be right here. Unplug it and see if yours work. Mine did right away. So now I know that I need to replace the hood latch assembly over a simple switch. Alright guys. If you like my videos, click like and subscribe.